Ilang araw na kasing umuulan and nakaka-depress yung weather. But today and since yesterday, maaraw. Mas lalo na ngayon, sobrang ganda ng araw and nakaka-uplift siya talaga ng mood. So, I'm really happy. And kahapon din nag-start ako mag-yoga. And then, this is my day 2 kasi grabe yung pagiging stiff ng katawan ko. Ever since nung December na laging maulan and may bagyo, hindi ako nakakapag-walking, hindi rin ako nakapag-jogging. Nandito lang ako palagi sa bahay. So, parang nakaka-depress yung situation or yung weather, I should say. And now that um, we're getting sun again, parang mas nagkakaroon ng buhay yung katawan ko and nagkakaroon ako ng energy na mas marami akong gustong gawin. Yun. And also that's the reason why na parang gusto ko i-document yung mga ginagawa ko and kung may progress ba. For sure may progress naman, no? But gusto ko lang makita ko ano yung mangyayari sa akin for 2026. Ano yung magiging progress ko, ano yung mga changes, ano yung mga achievements ko. And last year kasi ang dami kong travel, pero nag-attempt ako na i-document yon. Pero I always failed because pagdating ko I mean, on the day na gusto ko mag-film, mas hindi ako makapag-focus sa filming. Gusto ko lang makita yung scenery, yung views, ma-enjoy yung food, yung culture. So, I think this time, mas magiging intentional ako. I still wanna enjoy my travel, but um, I'll try to film clips and para na rin meron akong souvenir and I can look back yung mga napuntahan ko. Um, Yun. So, I think 2026, I'll be more intentional in the things that I do. And, ang dami ko talagang gustong gawin. And, bahala na kung anong mangyari. I'm just trying out. And, actually, I'm filming with my DJI Action 5 na binili ko last year because I really wanted to film everything that I do. Yun nga lang, hindi talaga siya napupunta sa um, hindi ko talaga nagagawa yung pag-edit, ganun. Sobrang nakakatamad. So, siguro yan yung kailangan kong i-workout this year. By the way, today is January 29, 2026. And today is anniversary of me working from home. Yeah, I'm a work from home girly. I started back in January 2024 and then 2025, 26. Yes, 2 years na palagi lang ako nasa bahay. Kung magkakaroon ako ng chance na mag-work outside, usually during travel ko na yon. I'm more intentional of what I wanted to do and gusto ko talaga ma-improve yung lifestyle ko. Gusto ko rin magkaroon ng hobbies and more travels. I think my plan today is lalabas ako, I'll treat myself on a solo day. So, yeah. By the way, kakatapos ko lang mag-yoga. So, it helps me na ma-stretch yung katawan ko. And yeah, this is my day 2 by the way of my yoga. And I plan to do this every day.
As you come up into this mild back bend, draw your shoulders back and down and gaze up without overextending your head. And start noticing your breaths for a couple of seconds.